Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube. Guys, guess what? It's raining again. I wish I could show you, but it is also dark outside. So, what a lovely combination. I'll attempt to show you. I don't know if you can't really see anything. But trust, it is raining. Also, look at my rosemary plants. They're so cute. Anyway, I don't know what we're gonna do. I don't know if we're gonna be riding today or not. It's usually a decision that happens like about 20 minutes before our lesson because the weather can change instantly. So I don't know. But we're gonna hope for the best. And even if it does rain, the horses are still there. So it doesn't really matter. At the end of the day, we're going to be with them either way. It's going to be fun. So come along and enjoy. Also, I'm sitting on the floor because someone has stolen my chair. Hi, Rosie. Hi, Rosie. Hi, Rosie Rose. Hi. Hello, my baby. Anyone who has cats knows the rule is if a cat is comfortable, you can't move. It's just part of the job. It's just part of having a cat. There's nothing you can do, and he's so cute. Hey, my baby boy. Hey, Rosie. Hey, my kitten. Hi guys, okay, so today I am riding the lovely King, and this is also my first time riding him because he is not a school horse. He belongs to someone, but she's on holiday and she so kindly let me ride him, so it was very cool. It was an honor. Look at that pretty boy. Here we are just doing a little bit of a warm-up and I am getting a feel for King. He is quite heavy on the forehand, so I was trying to just hold his head up and sit back. And then here we are doing some trotting poles in preparation for what was supposed to be jumping today. But, well, you'll see. And at this point, the arena was quite slippery because of the rain, and one of the riders actually had a bit of a trip and a fall, so we took a break to make sure that they were okay, first and foremost, and just to let the horses calm down, because they can get a little bit freaked out if someone falls and, you know, if something happens. So then for the rest of the lesson, we just decided to take it easy and just do one tiny jump instead of, you know, a whole row of jumps that we had planned. But it was better to just take it easy and be safe. As you can see here, I was being overly cautious and King didn't even realize it was a jump anyway. And here's my sister. And yeah, King was quite freaked out at this side of the arena because that's where the other person fell. So we made sure to just take it very slow, very relaxed, very easy. And that's the end of our lesson. King was such a good boy. I'm just patting him. Like I said, it was an honor to ride him. I really enjoyed it, despite the weather. Hey. Hey. Shame. I can't believe Hunter stood on your foot. It's fine. He got a bit of a fright because he was eating from the bucket in front of his stable. Yeah. And then he moved it around too much with his head. Oh my goodness. So he gave himself a spook and then he stood on my foot. Hunter. Yeah. But it's fine. Yeah. Bye, Hunty, the culprit. Bye, Hunty boy. Yes. So sorry for standing on Binks's foot. Kittenest. Hey, kitten. Oh, Raja. You are so cute. Hi, kitten face. Okay. We are now going to the tack shack to get me new gloves and to get Dad new gloves. Yes. So let us go. Let us. Let us in or I'll break down the door. Oh my god. Hello. Hi. Look at all these bits. Got snaffles. I've got a pelham. One day, guys. One day I will have a collection like this. Oh my gosh. Look at this one. And this one. Wow. Let's see the gloves that you have secured. Ooh. We've covered the price. Nice. We don't want to show. Nice. Happy?
Yep. I'm happy.
Ah! Guys. So it turns out, the step on the toe was not as harmless as we thought. I lost my toenail. At least the kitten pie is here to keep you company.
Keeping us company, being very cute.
Yeah, but tell us what happened.
Okay, so Hunter is obsessed with food, right? And there was a bucket of food in front of his stable, and he decided he's rather gonna eat that food instead of the food that's in his stable, safe. So he puts his head in the bucket and he moves it around so much that he gives himself a fright. And then he spooks and steps on my toe.
Ow. And took your toenail with him.
Well, he didn't take it with him. Dad found it in my sock. It was disgusting.
Oh, shame, babes. Oh. At least the kitten pie. Hi guys. Yeah, it was a little bit chaotic today with the rain and everything, but luckily no major injuries, and that's part of horsey life. Sometimes they will be a bit spicy, sometimes things happen, but everyone is okay, all the horses are okay, all the people are okay, and that's all that matters. So yeah, it's really rainy outside. Me and Binks are gonna get into blankets, make some popcorn, and watch a movie. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a beautiful rest of your day, and stay warm. Bye guys.